Okay, excuse me. Fortunately, this thing looks like it was a smashing success. I just got done drilling the hole through there. I think at the top of the screen there you can just barely see the drill that I was using. I will disassemble this and show you how it was put together. It was just quick and crude, but very effective. Seeing as I only had one of these to do, I didn't want to spend a whole bunch of time at the moment trying to rig up something specifically for this. So here's a 12-inch long 1/4-inch drill bit. The magic of this whole thing was what was a 1/4-inch all-thread coupling nut, a clamp, and 2 pieces from a Dairy Queen box. That's what these pieces of cardboard are, this Dairy Queen box. I guess you could almost say I was sponsored by Dairy Queen tonight for all intents and purposes. Now, just by eyeball, it looks like it's extremely close to being on center, but here, probably out off camera, I'm going to invert the drill bit and see if I can take a measurement in there and see just how close I came. Because it's going to take a little bit of maneuvering to get it in there. But this is nothing more than a rod coupling nut that I drilled the threads out of and just reamed to 1/4 inch. It just so happens that the width across here is very near the same as the thickness of the metal, and the square sections, the squared off sections, just happen to set in there and in that 1/2 inch hole and center it up pretty effectively for me. And like I said, in the future, I can see myself making something specifically for this. There, that's how it's sat. So anyways, oh, and this, I just got this from Grainger, some 1/4 by 28 all thread. So this will actually be the mechanism that's going to move the clamps, the jaw, the movable jaw anyways. I'm trying to keep my head out of the screen, but I'm kind of trying to eyeball this myself to see how close I came. It looks like it might be a few thousandths on the low side, but that's okay. I can live with that. It looks like it's virtually dead center this way, which is far more critical than being perfect this way. This upper hole, I just set it up in the drill press, center drilled it, and then hit it with a 1/4 inch drill bit. I had to kind of shim the front edges of this up a little bit to get it perfectly level, but after I did that, I was in good shape in that regard. I just drilled the hole a little bit, a few thousandths, about 13 thousandths or so, closer to the back of the part than to the front. But again, this is just going to get plugged, so it's kind of irrelevant. The important holes were this one and this one. And so far, it looks like they're just about nailed perfectly. So, like I said, I'm going to turn the camera off here, and I'm going to take a few measurements and see how I turned out on that. But that'll be it for tonight. I'm going to go try and look at some stars and stuff later.